I wanted to start 1st of January gardening, but nature's like, no, 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 you ain't. It stopped. But as you can see, it's super windy. Super windy. So, one of the harsh realities is when it's windy like this, I don't open my windows, or else I'm not be able to close the windows by myself. So if there's no one here to help me, these stay closed. Because unless the wind fades a little bit, I'm guessing the avocados are gonna fall off of the tree. One of the things I dislike the most is gardening with strong winds, because there's always a chance that I may hurt myself. So I think I will be removing the solar lamps as well, because it's just too strong. Unless the weather shifts, we will not be doing any gardening today. Whoa! Okay, I'm gonna head back home. Nope, bye bye. Well, the weather is not getting better, and we have Storm Francis to thank for that. Sometimes it rains really hard, sometimes there's little whirlwinds, and sometimes the trees just dance in the wind. I just have to wait the storm out. There's not much I can do. And sometimes we just have to work with what nature gives us, and today is not a good day to go outside, even though I really wanted to sow things and get out there in the garden. So we're gonna go inside as we were and see you next fall, hopefully. Yes, hopefully it will be a day we can go play in garden. Not today, but then. Bye! Thank you for watching!